how to fix the do not disturb keeps turning on issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on sound and vibration. Now tap on do not disturb, and if you have enabled schedule do not disturb, then the do not disturb will automatically turn on the set time. So to fix this issue, just simply tap on this button to turn it off. Now after turning off schedule do not disturb, the do not disturb turning on issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now here check if your phone's software is updated to the latest version or not. So if your phone's software is not updated, then update the software, and after updating the software, the do not disturb issue will be fixed. But after updating the software, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again. Now scroll down and click on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now tap on reset all settings, and then here in reset all settings, again tap on this reset all settings option here to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings back to factory default, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after resetting all settings, the do not disturb keeps turning on issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the do not disturb keeps turning on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.